How to customize Word documents with background images. When you open your Word document, click on the design in the upper portion. Then click watermark in the right side. Then proceed to select custom watermark in the lower part. And here you will see watermark options, and don't worry, this will help you put an image in your background. Now all we have to do is select picture watermark and then select your picture. You can insert a picture from your file. Once you're done, just click insert. And now you will be able to see these options. Now, for the wash out effect, you can enable or disable this by clicking this tick button. But if you want your text to be seen properly, just proceed with an enabled wash out so that your picture will be like this. Your text will be seen clearly. Now to resize the picture, just double-click the upper portion of the paper so you can enable the header and footer, and then there, you can see this picture. The background can be resized once you click on it. Once you're done, just exit header and footer, and your background image is resized. Now if you want to change how it looks like, if you want to emphasize the background picture, go back to custom watermark and disable the washout effect. Now your background image will look like this. And this is how it looks like with a text. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.